From Zero to AI Hero is a hands-on training course designed specifically for PMOs without a technical background, empowering them to lead AI projects with confidence. This practical guide demystifies AI, machine learning, and data science, helping you understand key concepts and roles such as data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI product owners. With no prior coding experience required, you'll gain hands-on experience using Python to automate data workflows, analyze insights, and visualize results. The course also covers critical skills like structuring AI projects with CRISP-DM, which stands for Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining, defining AI KPIs and aligning AI initiatives with business goals. Over 2 days, you'll master 10 hours of immersive learning with a balance of content delivery and hands-on activities, followed by a 2-hour follow-up session to solidify your knowledge and create actionable plans. Designed for PMO leaders, driving digital transformation and enhancing data capabilities, this course equips you to bridge the gap between project governance and AI innovation, ensuring your PMO becomes a key enabler of business success. Transform from a prompt writer to a confident AI leader. Reserve your spot today.